will see it. The dreams I'm dreaming, but
Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you all for coming out for this wonderful occasion.
never reach it.
Today we break ground on exciting renovations at our academic center, which is the first out of our 4 buildings purchased by DPS Denver Public Schools. We have a saying in DPS, we will get better at getting better. This here is a perfect example. DSA, whether you want to go at the rankings or the experience, has been an incredible institution. So all we did was add on to it, hence getting better at getting better.
Educational equity is our collective responsibility. Denver Public Schools is demonstrating that educational equity is not just a catchphrase, but a call to action.
With the expansion of these spaces, we can invite more students in, and the plan is to help them get in for 6th grade to prepare them in time for their high school conservatory audition. So it's going to open up this DSA experience to a lot more deserving students.
And all of that capacity is immediately next door to the existing building, so that students and teachers can go back and forth, and audiences can go back and forth as well.
And what we're talking about here is a school that serves our junior high, our middle school, our high school population, and that has a tremendous demand and serves in a specific niche community. And as we've discussed, also provides for increased diversity of the population at Denver School of the Arts.
Always gonna wanna make it move.
What we're doing today is trying to create dreams, create avenues for students who don't even know it yet, things that they could be in the future. My life was changed by the arts, and so I want to create that for any child who has that desire to be something bigger than they ever dreamed to be.
It's the cloud.